This is a sad home for your old furniture. But thankfully for you and for this lamp, this doesn't have to be the end. You could consign with Eyedia. Consigning is more than cutting a check for an old couch. It's a simple and special way for you to give new life to your old furniture pieces by putting them in someone else's home. And here are the 5 steps to make that happen through Eyedia. Step 1, decide what you want to consign. Now, this may sound simple, but there are a couple items that Eyedia doesn't accept, so be sure to check the list on the Eyedia website. Pillow, yes. Centerpiece, sure. Portrait of a clown, absolutely not. Why? Step 2, take a couple well-lit photos of your item and send it in to manager@eyediashop.com. The team will review your piece, and then you should hear back from them in the next 24 to 48 hours. Well, that was quick. Step 3, bring your item to Eyedia at 926 Baxter Avenue, Louisville, Kentucky. If you need help picking up and delivering your items, Eyedia knows some movers who they trust with their very lives. With their very lives? Really? With their very lives, huh? If you plan on bringing in your item yourself, please find someone to help you. Nobody wants to end up like Daniel.
I should have called a friend.
Step 4, when your item gets to the store, our team will inspect and clean each piece to go on display on our showroom floor. Consigned items are listed on a signed contract between you and Eyedia to ensure that both parties are happy with the arrangement. Then your piece will be placed into a designed vignette with other items from consigners just like you. Step 5, and the best step of all.
I love this lamp.
Once your piece sells, you get paid. Eyedia will send you a check in the mail. It's that easy. 5 simple steps that take you from owner to consigner just like that. So what are you waiting for? Go to eyediashop.com now to get started. Oh, beds.